Now that our chocolate is melted, I'm gonna bring in my sliced bananas, and I'm placing one banana in each of my mini cupcake liners, just like so. They fit perfectly on the bottom of the mini cupcake liners. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious little dessert. You don't need to turn on the oven. It's gonna be great for summertime because it's gonna be refreshing and a delicious sweet treat. So let's go ahead and get a banana on each of our cupcake liners. All right, last little banana. This is about 1.5 bananas that I used to get this many. Now I'm instantly coming in with my mini pretzel twist, and we're gonna put that pretzel twist right on top of our banana slice for a nice salty deliciousness to our treat. You could use some gluten-free pretzels, you could use some Lay's chips, but I think that these mini twists are just so perfect and they're gonna taste incredible with what's coming next. All right, last pretzel in there. Oh, this is getting good. Now we have that chocolate melted, but before we get to that, I'm gonna bring in my melted natural Jif peanut butter. You can use whatever peanut butter you like, and we're gonna carefully pour just a little bit of peanut butter right on top of our pretzels. Be extra careful, this part can get messy, but everyone knows peanut butter is worth it. Okay, let's quickly get these done. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the tip off of our chocolate bar. Make sure it doesn't fall into our little pretzel treats. And we are gonna squeeze our melted chocolate right onto our peanut butter, just like so. Make sure to be a little gentle because we don't want our Hershey's to open on the other side and the chocolate to come out where we don't want it to come out. But look how delicious this is. I did melt 2 chocolates because I felt like I needed extra chocolate for the amount of little treats I'm making, but these are gonna be well worth it. Okay, we're just gonna kind of tap this so that these even out and they're nice and shiny and beautiful. All right, these are gonna go in the freezer for 2 hours and they're gonna be ready to eat. Oh my, these look so good. Okay, we gotta go ahead and serve these up. These are gonna be the perfect little treats for a party, or if you just want a late night snack, you can just sneak one out of the freezer. But these are gonna be perfect for summer because they are nice and cold and refreshing. We have the banana, the pretzel, the peanut butter. Okay, let's go ahead and give one of these a try. Just come right off, so easy. Oh my goodness, that peanut butter should still be a little bit soft because it doesn't fully harden in the freezer. Let's give it a try. That was the best thing I've ever eaten. You guys gotta try it.